Alright, it is a beautiful fall day. I had a dentist appointment this morning, so I can't even feel my face. But we're gonna go fishing today. It's gonna be awesome. Took a day off, so we'll see if we can catch a fish. I just got set up out here. It's pretty windy, so I'm trying a different spot that's like just on the edge outside of where the wind's really blowing, the white caps are coming down. But I can feel my face a little bit better. But I would say I'm about halfway there. But yeah, it is real breezy out here, so we're anchored up. See if we can hold, see if we can't get some bites here. Not get run over by another boat. Yeah, I got quite a bit of time today. Travis might join us later today, I don't know. But we'll see. We'll keep our lines tight and see what we can do. Finally got a fish on. It has been a while. This does not feel very big, but it'll get the skunk out of the bag. There we go. Well, nothing to write home about, but break the ice. Let's catch some more. There we go. Slowly getting bigger. Another little one. There we go. There's another one. Another little guy. Feels like another smaller one. They're starting to get a little more active. Boy, that's a tiny one. Holy smokes. We need a bigger one than that. Oh, there we go. That feels a little bit better. Was it coming this way? Maybe it's not a little bit better. Well, it's technically a little bit better. But still a dink. You hit that pretty hard though. Come on. Here we go. Well, we'll take what we can get tonight. They're all pretty small, but it's only a matter of time before they get bigger. Oh, there we go. Feels a little bit better. Said that about the last 20-incher. I think it's another dink. I think it's another dink. Yes, sir. Oh, this one's got a tag. All right, let's see if we can make out this tag. You always get real dirty. Cool. Tagged sturge. It's always cool to see. Doesn't feel very big. It's a little bit better though. You can see my anchor rope's untied. I was literally halfway pulling it up. Oh, this is another tagged fish. Awesome. Well, it's not a huge one, but it's probably the biggest of the night so far. I'd say it's probably, I don't know, low 30s. But it does have a tag. Second tag in a row tonight. So we'll report that, see where this fish has been. All right, time to go pick up Trav. What's going on, dude? They've turned up here a little bit. What? So they've turned down a little bit.
Push it back.
No, I'm good.
What's that?
I'm good. Just stand in the bow for a minute. I haven't caught anything big yet, but I had that anchor halfway up to come back here, and all of a sudden my rod right here started going nuts, and it was probably like a 35-incher, but I've caught maybe 7 in the last hour, okay. But they're all small. Okay, so The last two were tagged, so that was kind of cool. Oh, good to see ya.
Yeah.
It's been a grind. I could use some help. Boy, it was bucking out here earlier. Yes. It was like rollers and whitecaps. It was a big pain in the ass to try to deal with. I pretty much just kept bouncing around trying to find places to get out of the wind. But it was, yeah, it's nice out right now. Ooh, Trav's on one. Just hopped in the boat. Oh yeah. That was about the size of one of the ones that I caught that had a tag. And I was like, holy smokes, was it tagged last week?
It's got a nipple on it. It's yapper.
Oh yeah. Nice. Sharp. Way to get up the schneid right away. Took me about 8 hours. Took you about 10 minutes.
What's that little one?
Oh yeah. Oh, a little bigger. A little bigger than that 12-incher you had. Criminy crepes. Oh. There we go. Oh, I whiffed on the back one. And then this one started going. Doesn't feel very big. Just good to see some activity. Yeah. Oh yeah. Fish on. Woo!
Get that excited.
Got on.
Came off because you're hooting and hollering.
Oh.
That's a first.
Didn't look too big though. Got to make the guys sitting right on our butts think we're catching fish though.
Welcome to Itchy Outdoors. Got a hog on.
We got a giant.
That.
No, I don't think so. Oh, starting to. Oh, what's going on here?
Knock them off. You got them in the anchor.
Anchor, maybe? You take this pole. All right, hold that. Can you reel it? There it is. Where's that light? There we go. How we got going? There we go. Started to feel good when I got in the anchor.
Yeah.
Oh. Is that yours going? All right, go get yours. Yep. Nothing? It's doing a lot of shaking. I think it's up at the top of the water though. It's not very big. Just did a lot of shaking. Probably wouldn't hurt.
What?
Yeah. There we go.
Fish.
Get him moving that. Maybe shine that light on me or something. I don't know if it was quite 40. I think that'd be like a 38, 37. Just bigger than anything else
Not so far.
we've seen. Slimy.